T-Mobile network unlock error 146 indicates a failure during the device unlocking process, usually stemming from server-side validation issues. This often relates to IMEI mismatches, eligibility checks, or temporary backend problems specific to T-Mobile's systems. It does not apply to other carriers. The error occurs when the T-Mobile app or website can't properly validate your device's unlock status. Essentially, it's a communication breakdown between your device and T-Mobile servers during the unlock request. It's an inconvenience for users attempting to unlock devices, but updates have improved fix rates by improving IMEI verification protocols. First, verify your device's eligibility for unlocking. Ensure it's fully paid off, not reported stolen, and has been active on T-Mobile for the required time. 40 days for prepaid plans or 12 months for postpaid plans. Next, clear the T-Mobile app's cache to remove outdated eligibility information. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, T-Mobile, Storage, then Clear Cache. If the issue persists, try unlocking again during off-peak hours. Server overloads during busy times can cause error 146. If problems continue, reinstall the T-Mobile app or contact support. Be prepared to wait 24 to 48 hours in case of server-side issues. User reports suggest a 70 to 80% success rate by following these sequential fixes.